Hello guys, this is my new video. This video explains how to Google AdSense, how to work Google AdSense.
What is Google AdSense and how to make money with it? What is Google AdSense? There are many ways to monetize your website traffic, and most of them are related to advertisement, their third-party product or service to your website visitor. There are many advertising programs there that can help we earn money nowadays, but the most popular is Google AdSense. The advertising program was launched in mid-2003 by Google and is currently the most popular advertising program on the internet. It provides a good after unit for the webmaster and site owner is monetized their traffic. Every year, Google pay over $10 billion to its publisher. If we have asked yourself what is AdSense and how to make money with AdSense, the following article will give you some hints. The advantages of Google AdSense: a high number of publishers and advertisers. As of today, over 10 million websites are using it. High level of security, safety, and transparency for both advertisers and publishers. Google acts as an intermediary between the two states and the mindful of whole process being transparent and clear for everyone. All the necessary metrics can interact with your Google Analytics account. Variety of end format in AdSense advertisements can run text, image, HTML ads, video ads, and much more, and in can experiment with different end topic and figure out which and drive and most revenue. Tip: check which sites are the most used by other publishers and learn from there. For example, in our one study based on the analysis of the 63,000 experiment and publishers, we found out that most popular end size are 728 into 90 and 300 into 250. Display ad Parsiting State 2019 by Semrich. How does AdSense work? The whole process is quite simple. You create an AdSense account. Internet is simple amount of code into your website page, and then all you need start. Google will display target ad on your page. There are either relevant to the content of your website or the user provides searches based on its proprietary algorithms. Tip: do not try to chat Google and artificially influence the number of the click. Do not encourage your website visitor to click and ads, and of course, do not click your when ads under and the critical stance. Google has a very accurate and application system for the preventing click fraud. Once it notices some suspicious activity on your website or has the debates about the quality of your traffic and click, it may suspend your account. How much can you earn with AdSense? Google charges advertisers per ad click. Publisher gets 68% of the click amount or 51% when it comes to AdSense for search. The communication you are get depend heavily in parties. The communication per click can range for uh, $0.20 to $50. The majority of the necessary being less than $3 per click to publisher. However, there are some nice that can be extemporarily provided. There are two ways to discover the most probable tips. Number one, estimate an average post per click in the niche with the CPC map tool. You can see that there are most expensive niches in the USA are the insurance, online education, marketing, and advertising. If we are just about to start a blog and choosing the topic to cover, this number will be extremely useful for you. Number two, check the CPC of particular keyword in the keyword make tool. See search for AdSense keyword magic tool. This tool powered by the biggest keyword distrib in the world. Over 4.6 billion keywords are the August 2019. You can just simply seed keyword event, for example, and it will give tons of the related search streams and CPC search volume and the campaign level. Find most pressing needs. With the Smarage keyword magic tool, get a free tutorial. Ads installation tip. The amount we earn does not solely depend on the cost per click value in your niche. It also depends on how much your audience is interested, where the ads are located on the page X, so pay attention to the content of your website. It is a log and feel and last different elements within a page to find or most a variation of each. Traffic is the king. Finally, at most importantly, your earning also depend on the amount of the target traffic to your website. We can choose the most experienced niche and pick the best implements for your ad, but it does not make the sense is nobody comes to your website or blog. Keep in mind that only very small number of your visitors will click the ads. There are no official statistics for the Google, but usually a good CTR. Most probably the click will bring your $1 per click. Now we need to the earn amount in went. Therefore, if we want to make money with AdSense, we should have large volume of traffic that will require to lot of work and lot unique and quality content. This means that it is always reasonable to create a website on the topic. You can we great deal about we will much history for and this work to please you do not expect to make $1,000 per month with a 10-page website. It is recommended to creator at least 20-30 page content before we start working with AdSense. Summary. Carefully summarizing, we can make party is good money with AdSense. With Google AdSense, but it quickly. Here are the some common sense rules to follow. There will help with the let the grow work of high-end stably earnings. I love to topic we are the learning about and now a lot about it as well as producing equipping revealed content do it on regular basis to make Google aware. There are websites being updated constantly with the fresh information. Do with some reach to find the most profitable niche in claim CPC and search demand. Build your content plan according to their instinct. This will help you get lot and traffic and monetize it all essential. So guys, I this video explain what is Google AdSense, how to earn Google AdSense work. This explain